This August, two of the world's greatest engineers, mixers, and producers are teaming up to create a one-of-a-kind workshop where you'll get the chance to interact, ask questions, and watch over their shoulders as they discuss and demonstrate their personal techniques. Join Andrew Scheps and Greg Wells August 5th through 7th in Stockholm, Sweden at Baggpipe Studios on days 1 and 2 and RMV Studio on day 3. You'll learn how Greg and Andrew approach topics like songwriting, producing, tracking, mixing, and any other aspect of the process you can think of. There are 2 ways to attend this workshop. On-site attendees will benefit from the full experience. As an on-site attendee, you'll be able to ask as many questions as you want, meet the mentors in person, enjoy personal feedback, and enjoy the hang. You'll also receive a certificate of completion for this masterclass, signed by Greg and Andrew. Streaming attendees will be able to watch the masterclass from the comfort of their own home. We'll be hanging out with you in the live chat room, as well as be your voice on site, selecting the most interesting questions to make you feel like you're there. Included with your on-site or streaming seat, there are extra bonuses. Bonus 1, get the session. All attendees will leave with a copy of the session that both Greg and Andrew have worked on during the event. Bonus number 2, free plugin. All attendees will be offered a free perpetual license of Sugar, the first audio plugin created by Process.audio. This is a rare opportunity to learn from 2 masters of their craft over the course of 3 days from the beautiful city of Stockholm, Sweden. Registration is limited for both on-site and streaming seats, so be sure to reserve your seat now, and we'll see you there.